Welcome everyone to Decode ITES. This is a single learning platform for multiple IT infrastructure technologies. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's have a small introduction of myself. My name is Prince Garg. I'm having 3 plus years of work experience. I have worked on Red Hat, VMware, Windows, Google Cloud, PowerShell, Python, and Bash scripting. You can reach out to us on ITES Fun Facebook page, or you can reach out to me on Instagram at b_limitless, or you can follow me on LinkedIn by prince-garg-ites, or you can visit our website itesfun.com. Welcome back everyone to Decode ITES in the learning series of Linux 8. So in this lesson, we will gonna cover up about the NIC, network interface cards. What are these and what are the types of network interface cards? Let's continue. So if we talk about the network interface card, it is a hardware component without which a computer cannot be connected over a network. It is a circuit board installed in a computer that provides a dedicated network connection to the computer. It is also called network interface controller or network adapter or the LAN adapter. It depends the way how you like want to take this up, and you can talk in the way like the network controller, network adapter, LAN adapter. This is a must-have hardware on your laptop, desktop, or any computers. So, what are the purpose of network interface card? It allows both wired and wireless communications that can be done on the computer. It also allows communication between computers connected via local area network as well as a connection over large scale network through internet protocol. It is both a physical layer and a data link layer device as it provides the necessary hardware circuitry so that the physical layer processes and some data link layer processes can run over it. Now, what are the types of network interface cards? In the network interface cards, motherboard has a slot for the network card where it can be inserted. It requires network cables to provide network access, and also the internal network cards are of two types. The first type uses peripheral component interconnect, which we say as PCI connection, and while the second type uses industry standard architecture, which we call as ISA. The second one is external network cards. In desktops, laptops that do not have an internal NIC, external NICs are used. External network cards are of two types, wireless and USB based. Wireless network cards needs to be inserted into the motherboard. However, no network cable is required to connect to the network as they are inserted directly to the chipset or the motherboard. They are useful while traveling or accessing a wireless signal. So now understanding the device names. IP address configuration needs to be connected to a specific network device. Using IP link show to use current devices, IP address show to check their configuration, and every system has an LO device which is used for internal networking. We can see the name of the real network device which is presented as a BIOS name. The classical naming is using device names like H0, H1 and so on. These device names don't reveal any information about physical device information. Usually you can see as 0 or ENS33. BIOS naming is based on the hardware properties to give more specific information in the device name, like EM12N for embedded NIC cards, ENO for embedded NICs, and P slot P port for network interface on the PCI bus. If the driver doesn't reveal network device properties, classical naming is used. So this is the very useful device if we talk about the networking. This is the must-have device to have on your system or on the servers to make a connection. So now let's take a look at the practical overview session. So we will going to talk about the IP ADDR show command. This command is used to show the IP address configuration. So the configuration we are looking at is a configuration on the ENS33 port. This is the BIOS default name that was assigned to my network card. Apparently, this is an embedded network card on a slot 33. Notice that these names will be different and you will probably see something different on the system that you are using. But that's just one of the properties of BIOS default names. You can see multiple names like H0, ENS04 according to your environment. So that's all for this lesson. If you are having any queries, you can reach out to us on itesfund.com or drop a comment in the comment section below. Thank you.